Nobody intends for crashes to happen, but when we call them accidents, it suggests that there's no one to blame, that it was unavoidable. Fact is, aside from a few crashes that involve medical emergencies or animals, the vast majority of crashes are caused by someone not paying attention or following the law. That's not only crashes involving drunk or drug driving, but also those caused by drivers who are impatient, drowsy, or distracted. Drivers who fail to stop at signals or stop signs, those who cross the center line or drive too fast for conditions. If you're not giving your full attention to driving, it's no accident when you cause a crash. Let's change the conversation. It's a crash, not an accident. Think about that the next time you drive so we can all help move Michigan towards 0 deaths. Because you are the most important safety feature in any vehicle.